In Excel, how do I check if a cell is in a list of values, a range of cells? I've got a range, A3:A10, that contains names, and I'd like to check if the contents of another cell, D1, matches one of the names in my list. I've named the range A3:A10 sum_names, and I'd like an Excel formula that will give me true/false or 1-0 depending on the contents.
My preferred answer, modified from Ian's, is which returns true if D1 is found in the range sum_names at least once, or false otherwise. COUNTIF returns an integer of how many times the criterion is found in the range.
Equals COUNTIF sum_names, D1. Should work, 1 if the name is present, more if more than one instance.
I know the op specifically stated that the list came from a range of cells, but others might stumble upon this while looking for a specific range of values. You can also look up on specific values, rather than a range using the match function. This will give you the number where this matches, in this case, the second spot, so too. It will return #NA if there is no match. You could also replace the first 4 with a cell. Put a 4 in cell A1 and type this into any other cell.
If you want to turn the COUNTIF into some other output, like Boolean, you could also do equals if COUNTIF sum_names, T1 and GT, 0, true, false. Enjoy.